You're not broke because you don't make money. You're broke because your brain is afraid of it. Yeah, afraid. And that fear is quietly controlling every financial decision you make. Let me show you how. Most people blame their income. The economy is bad. I don't earn enough. I just need more money. Sounds logical, but it's wrong. Because there are people earning the same as you, who are building wealth. So what's the difference? It's not income, it's behavior. And behavior is driven by fear. Fear of losing money, fear of making the wrong move, fear of looking stupid, fear of failing. So what do? Nothing. You wait. You overthink. You hesitate. You tell yourself, I'll start later, when I'm ready. But later never comes. And that's how people stay broke for years, without realizing why. Now here's where it gets dangerous. Your brain thinks it's helping you. It's trying to protect you from risk. But your brain was built to keep you alive, not to make you rich. So it says, stay safe. Don't risk it. Be careful. And every time you listen, you trade growth for comfort. Let me make this real. There was a woman buried in over $800,000 of debt. Not confused, not lazy, terrified. Every single day she woke up thinking, I'm going to lose everything. That fear controlled her life. Until one day, she stopped running. She faced it. She looked directly at the worst-case scenario and realized something shocking. It wasn't the end, and that changed everything. Because the moment fear becomes clear, it loses its power. This is what nobody tells you about money. Fear isn't your enemy. Avoiding it is. Fear is data. It's a signal. But if you ignore it, it controls you. If you face it, it guides you. So next time you feel scared about money, don't distract yourself. Don't scroll. Don't run. Pause and ask yourself, what exactly am I afraid of? Be specific. Losing money? Making a mistake? Looking like an idiot? Good. Now go deeper. If that actually happens, what's my next move? Now something changes. You're not emotional anymore. You're strategic. You're not frozen anymore. You're moving. And that right there, that's the line most people never cross. Broke people avoid fear. Wealth builders study it, break it down, and use it. So the next time your brain tells you to play safe, understand what's really happening. It's not protecting your future. It's protecting your comfort. And comfort is the most expensive thing you can afford. Because that fear you keep avoiding, that's not the problem. That's the door.